Hey, how's it going? I'm Shane. I'm with Shane Structures. That is my handyman business, and this is my first ever video. So today, we're doing this range. It's got to get into here because the customer is now renovating their basement into a apartment, and they need to have a stove here so that they can have their own kitchen. So the first thing that we're going to check for, getting out these cabinets right here. Cabinets usually, and I see that right here. See this little boom? That's how you get this out. There's a little thing that you press down, pops on out. So we're going to get that out. Probably the same on the bottom as well. Okay, I need to go get got him out. All right, now this is the bottom. So we're gonna put it on the two that are remaining and cut out where it was. All right, now we are going to nail this off. Make sure it's all the way in. These like to cause a little ruckus. All the way in. And I got 1 inch brad nailers, 18 gauge. Okay, now we can put the cabinets back in. All right, so we got everything ready. I have it measured so that this thing will cut straight along that. I put tape down so it doesn't flake. Same on this side. I got the section measured out with duct tape so that I can cut it straight and it doesn't flake.